Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start this lesson, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of English learners around the world. Thank you so much. Today, we're talking about something that every English learner struggles with, no matter their level. Because even intermediate learners, and sometimes advanced learners, keep making these 5 mistakes. And the truth is simple. If you fix these mistakes, your English will immediately sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Thinking too much before speaking. This is the biggest problem. Learners try to build the perfect sentence in their head before opening their mouth. But real English is fast. Real English is messy. Real English is spontaneous. Native speakers do not plan their sentences. They just speak. Your brain needs to learn to speak without overthinking, to speak with flow, to speak with confidence. Here's a secret. Your first idea is usually good enough. Speak first, correct later. That's how fluency is built. Mistake 2. Avoiding mistakes instead of using them. Many learners think, I must speak perfectly. I can't make mistakes. I don't want people to judge me. But that fear destroys your progress. Mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are the process. You learn pronunciation. By making pronunciation mistakes, you learn grammar. By making grammar mistakes, you learn fluency. By speaking even when it's wrong. Mistakes are steps, not failures. If you avoid mistakes, you avoid learning. Mistake 3. Studying English instead of practicing English. Most learners do this. They watch videos. They read books. They listen to podcasts. They take notes. They memorize rules. All of that helps. But none of that makes you speak. Studying will not make you fluent. Only speaking makes you fluent. Ask yourself one question every day. How many minutes did I actually speak English today? If the answer is 0, that's the real reason you're not improving. Practice is the key. Speaking is the skill. Study supports it, but it can't replace it. Mistake 4. Translating everything in your head. This is a silent fluency killer. You want to speak, but your brain is busy doing this. Your language. English. English to your language. That process creates delay, and delay creates hesitation. And hesitation destroys confidence. You need to switch to thinking in English directly. Start with simple ideas. It's okay. That's fine. I get it. Let's try. Don't try to translate your native sentence perfectly. Say the easy English version instead. That's what fluent speakers do. Mistake 5. Using textbook English instead of real English. Textbook English is correct, but nobody speaks that way. Beginners say, "I would like to reserve a table. I am very tired today. Do you wish to go to the cinema?" Natural English is, "Can I book a table? I'm exhausted today. Do you want to go to the movies?" Real English uses contractions, expressions, emotion, connected speech, shortcuts, and rhythm. If your English sounds robotic or stiff, that's why. Switch to modern, everyday English. It sounds natural immediately. The good news. These 5 mistakes are extremely common, but extremely easy to fix. Once you stop overthinking, fearing mistakes, translating, studying without practicing, using textbook English, your fluency will improve faster than ever before. Some learners see progress in weeks, not months, because you finally start using English the way English is actually spoken. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this community grow and helps millions of English learners become more confident speakers. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.